It's 6:43 p.m. in the evening of September 2nd. So not even one day left, and I've finished each and every fucking chapter except Ind AS 101 adoption and Ind AS 111, which is 222, disclosure of interest in other entities. So except these two chapters, I've finished everything. Forget about Ind AS 112, which is disclosure of interest in other entities, which is 38 minutes video. Hardly it will take 18 minutes to finish that video. Adoption, on the other hand, takes 2 hours. Like it's a 4-hour video on YouTube, but it will be taking 2 hours. Apart from this, I haven't revised even a single chapter. So till now, I've revised. I haven't revised. Till now, I've seen each and every video of every chapter, and I don't have to revise what chapters they are. 8, 10, 8, 10. Please be careful here. Introduction, I don't have to revise. Introduction, schedule 3, and Ind AS 1. I don't have to revise Ind AS 1. I've done that, which is current assets, non-current assets, current asset, current liability definition. Schedule 3 is loan covenants. Introduction is nothing but roadmap. So I've done those 3, which took exactly 9 fucking hours to finish. Ind AS 1 I have done. Ind AS 8 I have done. Ind AS 10 I have done. 24 I have done lately, just now. Apart from that, what else did I do? Yes, I have done 41. I've done 41. I've also done 2. Ind AS 2 inventory. I don't have to revise that because I've done that yesterday itself. So I remember what's there in that. Ind AS 41 and Ind AS 113. I have done that. I don't have to revise that again. So these are the only chapters that I don't have to revise again. So if I do 101, even that chapter I don't have to revise again. So that will take exactly 2 hours. The time is 6:46, so I can finish it by 9 p.m. So if at all I can finish these things by 9 p.m, what's the chance of me getting any marks from this? At most I can get 8 to 10 marks. That's all. I'll hardly get 8 to 10 marks from these chapters, because Ind AS 41 में क्वेश्चन नहीं आया रिसेंटली, 24 में भी नहीं आया, और 8 और 10 से पक्का एक क्वेश्चन आएगा. 4, 4, 4. If at all they ask, max 15 marks, 10 to 15 marks, that's all. Now I just have 6 plus 4, 10 hours left for revision, and I still have to finish 5 big chapters, namely financial instruments, consolidation, business combination, revenue from customers and from contracts, and leases. In these 5 chapters, I don't have to revise. Like, I just have to see. I just have to read. I don't have to revise leases because I've done that 2 days ago, and I've done it extensively. So out of these 5 chapters, I have to revise the theory of Ind AS 115. I have to. So that takes hardly 1 hour. These 3, I have to do questions on business combination and consolidation, which will be having what?
Adios, amigo. Powering off.
Which will be having what? We'll be having step acquisition, step by step, reverse equation in BC, business combination, and in financial instruments there are 9 to 10 models I have to do. So these things are hardly gonna take 5 hours, I guess. So if I could finish this before I sleep today, that is before 3 o'clock, I'll be having 24, 14 plus 10 plus 6 plus at most 30 marks. Here comes the 5 most average chapters, like not so big, not so small, but medium chapters, I can say. What are they? 16, 8. Yes, 16, 19, 33, 36 and 101, 102, which is PPE, EPS, PPE, employee benefits, EPS, share-based payments, and impairment. Out of these 5 chapters, 2 questions are compulsory, which will be for 15 marks, I guess. 14, I can say. 14 to 16, because it can come for 2 8 marks, or 6 plus 6 or 6 plus 8, it can also come. So with this, to 16, this is 30, this is 14. 42 plus 14 is 60. Apart from this, what else do I don't have to revise is 105, 108, 105, 108, yes, you can easily do 37, 38, 34, 34, 37, 38, 40, and 12 and 20, 8. These chapters can come for 2 to 3 questions anukunna, 12 marks. They can carry 12 marks. At most, I can give 1 hour for these chapters. For those chapters, 3 hours. And at last, I have to finish the ambiguity chapters, cash flows, for effects of changes in foreign exchange rates, borrowing costs. 7 is the only chapter which that I don't have any clarity on, and that's all. 21 a little bit ambiguity, and 23 easy but have to refer. Also can't give more than 1 hour. If you have any time to refer other chapter, I'm left with theory. So how much time do I have left? If I can sleep for 6 hours, the time I have left is 8, 9, 6 plus 4, 10 hours. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I don't have time. Don't have time. You don't have time. You fucking idiot. That's all.